That is money. All right, let's go eat. All right, guys, let's find some local Thai food. Okay, what do we have here? 40 baht. I mean, that's a good freaking deal in Chiang Mai. Anyway. All right, let's check it out. Okay, this looks like a good spot. All right, let's practice some Thai and order some food. Khao, Khai Dao, Song Khai Dao.
Nó còn Khai Dao.
Chai, all right.
Ice water.
Oh, come. Ice water. Okay, guys. I just ordered a standard Thai meal that I actually enjoy. Rice with fried eggs. Khai Dao. Khai Dao is fried egg. When you want a fried egg on top of your food in Thailand, and it's very common the Thais do it, you say Khai Dao. Khai Dao. So very common in Thailand, when you want water, there's a little water station. And this thing will be filled with ice. There's your water. Glasses. And there you have it, guys. Khao Khai Dao. Khao Song Khai Dao. That means rice with 2 fried eggs. Dig it. This is a very typical condiment carousel, whatever you call it, in Thailand. There's usually 3, 4, 5 different things. Right here, you have chili flake. This is vinegar with spicy Thai peppers. Oh yeah. This is the same, but looks like it's been marinated quite a bit longer. And this, my friends, is a staple for the Thai people. Sugar. Thais like it sweet, and there's always sugar on the table. If you want spicy in Thailand, you say Pad Mak. Pad Mak. Pad means hot. Mak means very. So we're gonna put some chili on there. We're gonna put some chilies and vinegar. Oh yeah. Oh, all right, Mak. All right, Mak. All right, Mak means very delicious. Let's get down on our Khao Khai Dao. Awesome. Oh yeah. Nice runny yolk. That's the money right there. Oh yeah. Very typical Thai meal. And I've grown to enjoy it. In fact, when I'm here, even back home, I start to crave rice and fried eggs. Welcome to Thailand. And most of these little places like this, the people that own them live here. They live in the back or upstairs. See, they have their motorbikes right here, their washing machine, bicycles, etc. What a cool little place, man. What a cool little place. Oh my God, that was so good. Holy cow, I need to lay down. Thai food, local style. That's the way to go, guys.